Every tale starts with a princess. This is my new Fairy Kingdom project. It includes 5 cute felt finger puppets carefully designed for little hands. A wizard, a knight, a king, a princess, and a friendly dragon. They come with a matching castle, which also works as a storage for all the puppets. After playtime, you can easily put all the puppets back into the castle. This makes it perfect for storytelling, roleplay, and quiet play. The sewing pattern includes clear, illustrated step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. It is available in PDF, SVG, and FCM file formats. Sew your own fairy kingdom.